Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So, got another review for you. Thank you so much for sending me this. This is the Quntis, or I don't know how you pronounce it. But as you can see, it is a smart PD charging station, personal device with IntelliSense. It has a USB-C here, and it has like a little rack so you could charge your stuff. So this would be great for somebody who works from home or a student or anybody. And these are the items that you can put here, like a camera, iPad, phone, headset, and what else? Oh, a game, like Nintendo Switch or something. Yep, because that uses USB. So it has over voltage protection, over current protection, short circuit protection, over temperature protection. So it sounds like great quality. I will leave the price down here and a link in the description and in the comment section if you're curious to save some coin on this and get yourself one, because we have gone through quite a few charging stations. So let's check it out, see what it's all about. Okay, I know the box is small, but it's smaller than I thought. So this is what it looks like. Here are the USB ports. So there's the fast charger ones and these here, and then here's the plug. So let's put it together. And then you have your docking station. Simple, easy to follow. And you can have this ready to go. You could bring this while you travel. Let's say you're staying at a hotel or a family member's house or Airbnb, wherever, and you forgot like your regular chargers. You should definitely throw this in your bag just in case. Here we go. Now, see, that's plugged in, and I'm going to put it on this docking station right there. And plugged in, ready to go. The light is on, see? So I'm gonna use, just as a demonstration, how this would work. We have a personal laptop, little Chrome, nothing heavy duty. So put it there. And then let's say you have your iPhone and get the cords, right? So here is the cord for the charger. Oh, this is a fast one. So let's put it in there. Move this so I don't drop it. Plug that in to charging. It says it's charging. So it is working. And so we'll put that right back there. So I think this would be another great gift idea, or just for yourself, personal use, but a great gift idea for sure. Christmas is coming. You want to get those deals now while you can. So what do you guys think? Usable? I think so. Especially if you have this next to your nightstand, right? That'd be great. And then you could just plug in several devices ready to go in the morning. Or if you were like watching on your phone, charging it at the same time, that would also work. Or your iPad, put your iPad right here and just watch it and have it charge at the same time. You could watch me on YouTube and charge your stuff. I don't know, I think this is really good. I'm always looking for new, convenient, easy to use stuff. And we have tons of phones, tons of personal devices here. So I think this is a really good one to go pick up. Once again, I'll leave the description down in the description box with the code and in the comment section. So if you have any questions, I can definitely answer them. It's an Amazon link, so if you don't have Amazon, that won't really work unless you wanted to download Amazon. So anyway, I'm gonna let this charge since it was dying, and I'll let you guys get back to whatever you were doing. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this type of stuff, reviews, unboxings, Stay tuned for more, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Comment down below. Hit that like button. It means a lot. Stay safe, guys.